What exactly is the law of assumption, and more importantly, what is the secret behind it? The law of assumption is a potent method for changing your life for the better and bringing about what you truly want. Neville Goddard, an American philosopher, put forth the idea. As a preliminary issue, the law of assumption is not a topic of traditional law that can be used in a court of law. Rather, it is a pseudoscience or spiritual law that is synonymous with the teachings of Neville Goddard. The law of assumption describes what it means when you assume something. Achieving one's goals and dreams can be as simple as convincing one's subconscious mind that it has already happened, thanks to the law of assumption. According to Neville Goddard, it's all about how you think, not what you do, if you want to accomplish anything. Possessing a mind that is free and uncluttered. Put to rest any anxious ideas that may be interfering with your concentration. Smoke obscures your vision, and self-doubt might creep in, making you wonder if you deserve the good things you assume you deserve and desire to produce. Keep in mind that despite their shortcomings, everyone is deserving of good fortune. Positivity. You need to think positively. Get rid of any and all sources of stress in your physical space and mental processes. Clearing your head and getting into a good meditative attitude can be aided by listening to soothing music. Acquire a clear idea of your goals. You must be aware of the goals and objectives. Having a clear goal in mind is a big help when you set off. That way, we won't have to deal with any assumptions that can wind up causing confusion. Guess and intuition. The law of assumption centers on expecting to get what you want and the emotion that results. Because of this, you need to put yourself in a place of having accomplished your goal. Believe. Believe is the final piece. You have to have confidence and trust that your presumptions are correct. Believing that your dreams are too big to come true or that your wishes won't be granted might stymie the manifestation process. Affirmations based on the law of assumption might help you feel more confident in your mental abilities. Repeating these affirmations over and over again puts you in the right frame of mind to bring your desires into reality. The assumed law of secrecy. Different theories attempt to account for this phenomenon. However, the fundamentals of this universal law are grounded on the study of vibrations and energy. Energy. According to scientific research, all matter has some kind of energy. The energy of love is just one example. Furthermore, energy cannot be generated or destroyed, but only converted from one form to another, according to scientific consensus. This indicates that you can't rely on assumptions to come up with an original idea. That, obviously, would take a lot of time. Simply put, when you make an assumption, you give form to that which already exists. By applying the law of assumption, you can assume that the things you want already exist, speeding up the manifestation process. Vibration. Vibration, another scientific phenomenon, also helps in manifestation. When two items vibrate at the same frequency, their energies cancel each other out. So approach your assumptions like finding a radio station on the FM player. You just need to be focused, know exactly what you want, and tune into the same vibrational frequency through a positive state of mind and belief, and you'll see the manifestation. Applying the law of assumption, some examples. Several real-world outcomes demonstrate the power of using the law of assumption. Although not exhaustive, some examples of the law of assumption are as follows. Attracting a certain lover into your life. Invoking monetary prosperity. Bringing a friend, benefactor, or lover into your life. Assumption law for a single individual. Neville's recommended principles for the law of assumption must be followed precisely if a specific person is to materialize. You can't just assume that he or she is head over heels in love with you. Since the rule of assumption brings into being whatever you're thinking, feeling, and believing, the focus should naturally be on you. Essentially, your mental attitude defines who you are.